Going on, guys? I will give you 40 ideas for your AI automation agency in this video. So let's start with restaurant booking chatbot, a service for restaurant owners that offers a personalized AI chatbot to their website or app. This bot could handle table reservation inquiries, provide details on menu items, give opening hours, and even handle takeout orders. The next one is HR chatbot for employee onboarding. Many businesses struggle with efficient employee onboarding. An AI based system could streamline this process and provide new employees with a chatbot to answer frequently asked questions, guide them through company documents, and help them settle into their new roles. Then we have legal advisor chatbot. Firms can use an AI chatbot to handle routine legal queries from clients regarding basic legal issues like property law, contract laws, etc. This would save a lot of time for lawyers dealing with trivial issues and would allow them to concentrate on more significant cases. Then we have AI for content creation. Agencies can use AI to automatically generate blog posts, social media content, and more for their clients. This would save time, free up resources, and ultimately lead to a more efficient and productive content generation process. Then we have personal trainer chatbot. Gyms can have a personal trainer chatbot that can provide workout routines, nutritional advice, and track the user's progress based on every user individually. Then we have healthcare advisor, and also I want to add that maybe gyms can sell this to like users. And then we have a healthcare advisor chatbot. Hospitals and clinics could use an AI chatbot to answer routine patient queries regarding symptoms, medication use, and simple remedies. AI for market analysis. Companies could use AI for analyzing market trends, predicting customer behavior, and strategizing future business moves. AI powered customer support. Many businesses could benefit from AI powered customer support system that can handle common queries, complaints, and issues more efficiently than humans. Property agent chatbot. Real estate firms can use an AI chatbot to handle inquiries about properties, schedule viewings, and even facilitate transactions. Travel advisor chatbot. Travel agencies can use a chatbot to provide travel advice, book flights and accommodations, and provide updates on travel plan changes. Personal finance chatbot. Offer a chatbot that helps individuals with budgeting, expense tracking, and investment advice. A language learning chatbot. Create a chatbot that teaches users foreign languages through interactive conversations and quizzes. Job search assistant chatbot. Build a chatbot that helps job seekers find relevant job openings, uh, provides interview tips, and assists with resume writing. I would actually advise you that you choose one of these that you have like most familiarity with, and that also like have good pay and that have good market that's easy for you to target, that's easy for you to find, for example, on Google Maps or LinkedIn. Okay, virtual personal assistant chatbot. Develop an AI powered chatbot that acts as a personal assistant, scheduling appointments, managing tasks, and providing reminders. Online tutoring chatbot. Offer a chatbot that provides personalized tutoring, answering questions for various subjects, and guiding students through specific topics. Fashion stylist chatbot. Create a chatbot that offers fashion advice, suggests outfits for different occasions, and provides shopping recommendations. Pet care advisor chatbot. Develop a chatbot that offers pet care tips, helps with finding the right food or supplies, and provides information on pet health. Mental health support chatbot. Create an empathetic chatbot that offers emotional support, coping strategies, and connects users with mental health professionals when needed. But to have full transparency here, this is very like high risk area. Tell them it's AI and stuff. And then travel planner chatbot. Offer a chatbot that helps users plan their trips, suggest destinations, book flights and accommodations, and provide travel recommendations. Event planner chatbot. Develop a chatbot that assists users in organizing events, providing guidance on venue selection, uh, catering options, and entertainment ideas. Home automation chatbot. Create an AI powered chatbot that allows users to control their smart homes, adjusting lights, lighting temperatures, and security settings. Beauty Advisor chatbot. Offer a chatbot that provides beauty tips, recommends skincare or makeup products, and guides users through personalized beauty routines. Fitness Coach chatbot. Develop a chatbot that offers personalized fitness routines, tracks progress, and provides nutrition advice. I think I wrote this already before, by the way. Car maintenance chatbot. Create a chatbot that assists car owners with maintenance reminders, troubleshooting common issues, and scheduling service appointments. Virtual tour guide chatbot. Offer a chatbot that provides virtual tours of landmarks, museums, and popular travel destinations, providing a historical and cultural insights. Legal document generator chatbot. Develop a, this is a high risk area, by the way. You need to be fully transparent here. Develop a chatbot that helps businesses generate legal documents such as contracts, NDAs, and employment agreements. But this is like high risk area. I don't know if like you need to think about this. Probably if you are a lawyer, you should do this, and not if you are not. Personalized recipe assistant chatbot. Create a chatbot that suggests recipes based on dietary preferences, provides cooking instructions, and offers meals planning suggestions. Book recommendations chatbot. Develop a chatbot that suggests personalized book recommendations based on the user's interests, reading habits, and preferred genres. Health and wellness tracker chatbot. Offer a chatbot that tracks users' fitness goals, sleep patterns, and provides insights on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Interior design chatbot. Create a chatbot that provides design inspiration, suggests furniture and decor based on users' preferences, and offers do it yourself home improvement ideas. Car rental assistance chatbot. Develop a chatbot that helps users find car rental options, provides pricing information, and handles booking and reservations. This is probably you want to do this for a car company or car listing website. Virtual job interview coach chatbot. Offer a chatbot that provides interview preparation tips, conducts mock interviews, and offers feedback to job seekers uh, to improve their interview skills. You could so this is interview coach. You could also do like interview chatbot. Home remedies advisor chatbot. Create a chatbot that suggests natural remedies for common health issues, provides instructions on home remedies, and offers tips for holistic well-being. Financial investment advisor chatbot. Develop a chatbot that offers personalized investment advice, helps users create investment portfolios, and provides real-time market updates. High risk area, you need to be careful what you're doing here if you're doing this. Sustainability and eco-friendly assistant chatbot. Offer a chatbot that provides tips and information on living a more sustainable and eco-conscious lifestyle, including recycling practices, energy-saving techniques, and eco-friendly products. Personal development and goal tracker chatbot. I think this one is good. Create a chatbot that helps users set and track personal development goals, offers motivational insights, and provides resources for self-improvement. Wedding planner chatbot. Develop a chatbot that assists couples with wedding planning, offers guidance on venue selection, budget, vendor recommendations, and timeline management. Virtual fitness class instructor chatbot. Offer a chatbot that guides users through virtual fitness classes, provides exercises, demonstrations, and tracks their progress. So this is like not while you are in the gym. This is not like nutrition. This is like virtual assist, one-on-one coach fitness. Home renovation advisor chatbot. Create a chatbot that offers renovation ideas, suggests interior and design trends, and provides tips on remodeling spaces within homes. Online legal consultation chatbot. Develop a chatbot that provides initial legal consultation to users. Ask relevant questions and offer general guidance before connecting them with a lawyer for further assistance. This is usually good if users feel uncomfortable with like bankruptcy or something like divorce or something like that. Maybe you can tailor those things. Maybe you can just maybe you can turn this into online bankruptcy consultation, legal consultation chatbot, or online divorce legal consultation chatbot. That would be 40 ideas. All of these could be grown into huge businesses, but don't think you're going to grow them in 2 weeks. These take months to years to grow, depending on your skill. If you're a first time ever entrepreneur, it's going to take you years. But we are early in this AI automation business, so maybe it's not going to take you years because you have a huge early movers advantage. But I don't know. I don't know. It could take from months to years. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.